In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Typeform. Typeform makes it easy to build interactive quizzes for education, marketing, entertainment, or lead generation. First, open your browser and go to the Typeform website. Log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on the Create New Form button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template from the quiz template gallery. Using a template can help speed up the process, especially if you're new to Typeform. Next, choose the type of quiz you want to create. Typeform offers different quiz modes, including Knowledge Quiz, Match Quiz, Outcome Quiz. The Knowledge Quiz is best for right and wrong answers. The Match Quiz helps assign users to categories based on their responses. The Outcome Quiz displays different endings depending on the answer selected. To choose a quiz mode, use the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the editor. Now it's time to add your questions. Click on Add Content and select the type of question you want to use. You can add multiple choice questions, short text answers, ratings, picture choices, yes or no questions. Type your question and then add the answer options. If you're using a knowledge quiz, make sure to mark the correct answer. You can also organize questions into groups or sections to make the quiz easier to follow. Next, go to the Workflow tab to set up scoring, branching, or quiz outcomes. This allows you to create personalized results and different endings based on the user's score or answers. After that, customize the design of your quiz. You can change fonts, colors, backgrounds, themes, branding elements. Once your quiz is ready, click the preview icon to test everything. Make sure the questions, scoring, and logic all work correctly. Finally, click Publish to make your quiz live and share it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a quiz in Typeform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and online tool guides.